I lost my specs. I lost my spectacles. I went to, it doesn't matter. And I used them to, and it doesn't matter. They're gone. I looked everywhere. I looked under all the chairs, chest of drawers in the bathroom. I looked under the bed. I found nasal strips and a Christmas loofah. No specs. I got the case. I got the charger cable. Hang on to this. You could charge your specs case with your charger cable, but it's a weird proprietary thing, and if you lose it, you're out of luck. So the case charges the spectacles. Pretend these are Snapchat spectacles. This is a regional tragedy. Pretend these are Snapchat spectacles. When you place them inside the case, the connections will be such that the case itself, which has a battery in it, charges the spectacles, which also has a battery in it. That's how you charge the spectacles. Then the case, it holds 4 full spectacles charges. You can see where it's at by pressing the button on the side. It'll tell you. And then in order to charge the case itself, you take the proprietary little cable you don't want to lose, and you plug it into your common everyday convent USB port, and then that's how you do that. All right, I'm a little bit defeated because I lost my spectacles. So let's say you're wearing your spectacles and you want to take a video of something cool, right? You reach up here and above your left eye, there's a button right there on the arm of the glasses, and you press it once. So you press it one time, and it will begin recording. It records in 10-second increments. You can record up to 3 in a row. So when you press the button, 10 seconds will begin counting down. On the one side of the glasses, the camera will record. On the other side, a little light will indicate, showing people that you're not clandestinely, you're not nefariously. If you press the button, the light will start going, recording will happen, and the light will shine inside above your left eye, letting you know that you're recording. When you're starting to run out of your 10 seconds, it will begin blinking at you, letting you know you're running out. You can hit the button as many as 3 consecutive times and record up to 30 continuous seconds of HD quality video and audio. If you want to stop recording at any time, hold down the button. 3 main functions. Press once to record, press a second time to record 20 seconds, a third time to record up to 30 seconds, hold down to stop. You get cool video. It's the coolest. You'll be winning. The thing is that there'll be the faith, the sheep, the lost sheep. You'll get the lost sheep. The spectacles will hold a pretty serious number of videos. A lot, like 60 or something. 10-second videos before you need to offload them onto your camera. You'll go into your app, and there's a little button at the bottom of your app. Your spectacles videos will be kept in memories, and then you sync it up. You sync up. Your spectacles. They got a built-in Wi-Fi thing, and they send a Wi-Fi signal, and then you know how Wi-Fi works. So your app will prompt you. It'll say, "Hey, your spectacles, whatever you name them. Let's name them now. We're gonna call them Blue, Sister, Tiny, Doctor, Spectre. We're going to call them Madison Avenue Go-Getter Special 3. So your phone will see Madison Avenue Go-Getter Special 3 as a Wi-Fi, possible Wi-Fi thing. And you can go into your settings in your phone. You can connect to directly to the spectacles, and then you'll be getting the videos off the glasses. It'll go into your phone. I'd love to show you all this. I'd love to be able to show you all this. The main thing I want to impress upon you is this. The spectacles will try to get you to take a lesser quality video. But I implore you, if there's a button anywhere on your app while you're uploading the video from the glasses to the phone that says Get HD, touch Get HD. You want HD, and you get the HD. And then what happens is you can choose. You can go through after the fact, and you can choose the ones you like, and you can put them on your story. You can send them to your friends and in the Snapchat world. This is a dismal failure.
Wait up! I can't believe it. I found them. I found my Snapchat spectacles. Now I can show you the real things. That first part of the video, that was stupid. That didn't make any sense. So, look, you can even see the button I was talking about. That's going to go over your left eye. So if you want to, you can tap the right side of the glasses. I mean, left side if they're... You feel me. Tap this side of the glasses twice, and you'll see the charge you have left. So I have like a 40%. I'm bad at math. I'll bring the case back in here so I can show you that that works very much in the same way. The charge in the case. So this case now currently has 4 charges in it, but they will all light up and then sometimes go down, and that'll let you know how many charges you have. So see, there's little metal pins right in here. When you close the glasses, there's little metal plates here and it's all magnetic. It goes in, and you'll know it's charging because it'll light up like that. And you just close them, and they'll charge on their own. If you need to charge the case, take your little weird charger thing. There you go. So there we go. That's how we charge our spectacles. Now, let's say we wanted to take a video. We've got them on our head. So you go ahead and push that button once, and you'll get 10 seconds of video. This side's the camera. It's doing the recording. This side you'll see is slowly ticking down. If you hit it again at any time during the first 10 seconds, it re-ups. Now we're going to go for 20. Hit it a third time, 30 seconds. That's as many as you can go. And then as you'll see, it'll slowly cycle down towards the end of that 30 seconds. It's kind of cool, I guess. It's pretty useless. It looks neat when you're wearing them. So the same thing happens on the inside. You click it once, that light tells you that you're going for 10 seconds. And it'll start blinking towards the end of the 10 seconds to let you know that time is running out. When you can hit the button again, and the light will go back to solid, letting you know that you're going for 20 seconds, and so on and so forth. Once it starts blinking and goes off, then you are no longer recording. Yay! And if you want, say you hit it once. Oh, but the thing seems pretty awesome. You better go for it twice. Now you're going 20 seconds. Better go for a third time. Oh, it's not funny anymore because somebody fell and hurt their spleen. Well, then you just hold the button down and the recording stops. Wow, this is a much better video than the first one I made. Alright, so now let's look at syncing. Okay, girlfriend, so the first thing you're going to need to do is a little tricky. You're going to need to go in the settings of your phone, wherever the settings are in your phone, and in your Bluetooth options, go to Bluetooth, and then it'll look for devices. It may take a second to search. Okay, there's the specs, and you touch that to pair the specs Bluetooth with your phone's Bluetooth. That makes sense, right? I'm not re-recording this. Okay, so we're paired. Cool. Now, we're going to go out of here, and what are we going to do next? Well, I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to open up our Snapchat app chat. So we open our Snapchat app, and we go to the icon down here that is the two little, it almost looks like little landscape pictures or little portrait pictures below the record button. And we're going to go in there. And then up here, you'll see there's a little icon that looks like a pimento olive. And you just touch that little guy. And then it says add spectacles. We're going to do that. And now it says look, we got to look at the snap code and press the button on our spectacles. So we're going to actually pretend to look at the snap code. I'm going to get my thing, going to pretend like I'm looking. I'm going to press once. Holding my spectacles over my phone, hoping for a miracle. All right, connecting to spectacles. It's happening. It's happening. There they are. Right now they're called King W specs. We don't like that one bit. No, we don't. Because we all know what we're going with here. We're going with Madison Avenue. Go Getter Special 3. Alright, setting up spectacles. This could take a minute. Take a minute like making this video is taking a minute. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Appearing successful. Okay, thank God. So now we've imported the snaps from the spectacles to the phone. I believe that direct symbol there is key. As long as you've got that, everything should go automatic. This means that the Wi-Fi transmitter in your glasses is transmitting to the Wi-Fi receiver in your phone. Great. I don't know what I'm talking about. Let's look at all these videos of my hand and my fat. If we touch one, it'll bring up a preview of the video. What am I saying?
Well, here's what it'll look like when you sync your video to your phone.
Okay. Now let's say we decided we like this. Well, let's at least, and we want to send it. Well, then we just hit the three little buttons at the top there. We are in HD, and we're gonna we can edit the snap. We can send it, and then once we decide we want to send it, we've got our story. We've got our friends that we can send to, and it's just like a regular snap. It's terrific. But let's say we've decided we hate it so much that we hope never to see it again, and that we're sorry we made it an example in this video in the first place. Well, then you hit the little button and you delete the snap, and then you go through and eventually you find all the little circles and you hit all the little dots and you delete all the snaps, everything that you ever did in your life, you delete it all.